Hi, I'm Summer.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a video of
Seeing which one is the most floppy ragdoll.
Alright, we have 9 kittens out here right now to show you. First one is Iris. Iris passes the ragdoll flop test. Next we have Geranium. Does Geranium pass the ragdoll flop test? I think he does. Next we have Arrow. Arrow, do you pass the ragdoll flop test? 100%. So that's those. That's 3. Snickers. Snickers, are you going to pass the ragdoll flop test? That you are. Good job, Snickers. Who's this one?
Dairy Milk?
Dairy Milk. Dairy Milk is also floppy. Next we need Lilac. Lilac, are you floppy? Half. Ish. Is that Ivy?
Yeah.
We haven't done Ivy yet. Ivy, are you floppy? No.
No.
Ivy's not floppy. Oh, we got Zinnia over here by the fireplace. Zinnia, are you floppy? Zinnia's totally floppy. I think we need Eat More. He's got a yellow collar. Where did he run to? Oh, there he is underneath the ladder.
Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm. Eat More, are you floppy?
Yeah.
You are. Good job. What about in the tunnel? In the tent here? Who's this one? In the tent? In here. Oh, that's Arrow. We already did the flop test on Arrow. Kittens are starting to eat today and drink and use litters. What about Rogue?
Yeah.
Mama Rogue. Are you floppy, Mama Rogue? She is. And what about your girl Panda? Good job. All right, that's 9 kittens and 2 mama cats. Let's go check out some more kittens. All right, so you just see 9 of our kittens and 2 of our moms. Now this is Pearl's litter, our blue litter. Let's see if these are floppy.
Chiquita. Chiquita.
Floppy plus plus.
This one is
Rammy.
Oh,
Nope,
no, not really.
not today. Let's try Ruka. And Rora.
Let's see, yes.
Pearl's kittens are so floppy, it's almost like they're playing dead. They're the floppiest, cuddliest, lovable. They are 17 days old.
Comment which one was your favorite flop. Bye.
Well, that's it for this video. If you want to watch more cat content, be sure to click on one of the videos on the screen and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to like and comment below and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.